Welcome to our 60-second guide on how to use the Flixbus website. Whether you're planning your next adventure or commuting, Flixbus offers a convenient and user-friendly platform for booking your bus travel across Europe. First, head to the Flixbus website. On the homepage, you'll find the booking section. Here, simply enter your departure city, destination, and travel dates. If you're flexible, you can check the Search for Direct Connections Only box to find the quickest routes. Next, click Search to see all available options. You can filter results by price, departure time, or duration to find the perfect trip for you. Once you've chosen, select your seat, if desired, and proceed to checkout. You'll need to enter passenger details and choose your payment method. After confirming your booking, you'll receive an email with your ticket and all the necessary travel information. Remember, the Flixbus website also offers helpful features like the route map, travel information, and customer service contacts. That's it.